Chiro cracks. Chiropractics for everyone.
Let's see, how's the neck, back, headaches?
I've not been experiencing many headaches at all, really. The only concern I really ever have is just my rib cage placement.
We definitely adjusted rib torque last time. We'll work on it more. It's a postural thing. This sucks right here, right?
Yeah,
Tender?
that one's not fun. When I was in physical therapy, I always have the worst issues, like right in between my shoulder blades.
There is an asymmetry here. Bring your chin down to your chest. Is your neck cracking on its own?
Yeah.
How's your stomach?
My stomach's actually been pretty good.
March in place, please. Right. Right. So your rib cage is definitely like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one right
sucks.
there. Let this relax, and then you're gonna lean back here. Let it go. Following the breath, let the shoulders relax and gentle, gentle.
Oh my god.
Gentle, let the shoulders down a little bit. Deep breath in here. Move your head over to the side like this.
Nice.
Lean back all the way. Now let your head relax. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Lift your right leg up in the air. Left. As you breathe out, I'm gonna stretch your shoulders up in this direction like that. Loose, gentle. Right side first, you're doing good. Let the head drop there.
Every time it sounds crazy.
Push your knees apart. Squeeze. It's okay, it's better. It doesn't need it. Open.
My neck feels good. I can like live. It feels good. It feels great.